What are you doing? Are you filming?
Some crazy doggy day. It really is a wrong day to vlog. Good morning, everyone. So this morning I did some crazy doggy day park today. Yeah, Dog and I went to the dog park with Ame, and it rained a lot yesterday, so it was pretty muddy. But I purposely went so that I could wash him, wash Ame, and like give him a little haircut after. So that is what we did this morning. Very productive, yet I already feel tired and drained out. I'm just like it was kind of a really hectic morning. But anyways, Ame is clean, washed, and hopefully he will sleep throughout the day more than usual, because Toy and I are planning to go get some brunch, and I want to go to this park called Lincoln Park Zoo, because they are doing the light shows, not show, but like the zoo is covered, like they decorated with lights, and I haven't been to that yet, so I'm planning to go there, and I think it's free. So, but it's so windy in Chicago today. I don't even know if it's a good idea to go, but whatever.
Playing relaxing classical on Spotify.
So we're gonna head out now. We actually bought a ticket to Science and Industry Museum?
Museum of Science and Industries.
I haven't been there since my like elementary, junior high years, so it's kind of exciting to go. Yay, I'm excited! And since we're Chicago residents now, yay, we get discounts. So for 2 people,
$5 each or something.
So it was like $40 total for both of us, but with discount we paid $33. So, woo-woo! And then this little bugger got a good exercise this morning. She'll get some rest, okay?
It's so hard for us.
Get some rest. Get some rest. I'll be right back. I shaved his butt today, or I trimmed it. He's so beautiful.
Okay. Trimmed his butt. I'm weary.
I'm weary too. Good. I'm wearing my gift
from the Silkiest Man Alive.
Yep, sure. I'm wearing these shoes. Since we're walking there, can you hold this for a second? Stop.
I know you're tired.
I can't breathe.
I know you're tired. Try to help her because she's struggling hard, real hard. I told you not to finish that vodka. I'm just kidding. Keemi doesn't really drink much.
It's not even noon. It really is a wrong day to vlog. So cold. I wish there's like they create some like elevator. Where do you wanna go? I wanna go to the Yoke.
Charlie Chocolate Factory.
Yeah. Like cold is one thing, but it's so windy. So windy. So cute. Very like stands out. Yellow.
This is all
This is not really the way she described it to me.
Yeah, dude. Check this out, bro. That's for it.
I don't like peppermint. Whole candy cane on here. Bread is really good though.
Yeah. Even the biscuit.
Bread is actually really, really good.
Yeah?
I don't like the
Let's go.
like the hint of peppermint is like really
Have some. Please, my stuff. Yeah. That's the that one in a toast. Or berries. That's that one berries.
How was the French toast?
I don't know. It's not really my.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot of chocolate.
It's a lot of peppermint.
There's a lot of peppermint in there.
I remember. Didn't we
My hair
go
looks
somewhere
so
else?
bright. It's not even this bright. It looks bleached. Wow.
Happy after Christmas.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's really pretty. So we're at Maggie Daly Park and nobody's here.
I don't think this is fun.
It's cold and windy.
You just have to come here.
Think about things that we can do.
What are you doing? Are you filming?
Yeah, but like I couldn't stand like being in that museum because it was so stuffy and crowded. Like I gotta just be outside, so it feels good to have fresh air right now. So I'll just get some exercise in. Shut up! Look at the view though. Damn.
So if you
That was very good. 난 찰파에서 제일 맛있어. 정말.
Is there something you think it's doable?
I mean, I could definitely cut the.
There's so much cash on cash.
I could cut the price in half. 하나 큰거 빼면 돼. 그냥 I don't. 나 진짜 I just don't want to regret it.
Everything okay? In Barrington?
Thank you. Actually, can I get some? Do you have sriracha? Yeah, thank you. 맛있다. 맛있어, 맛있어. 더 먹을 수 있을 것 같아.
진짜?
진짜.
일상 큐컴버. 네가 진짜 하나 더 먹으면은 진짜.
그렇죠.
I was so impressed.
왜?
Yeah. 진짜 할 수 있지 너.
지금 먹을 수 있을 것 같아. 근데 I think I have to eat it now. 좀 쉬면 먹을 것 같아. No, like literally, like I need to have it right here, right now.
Yeah.
I can't.
I'll get you one.
No,
And then it'll be a good. What?
if this was like bigger, I think I would have eat all of it.
Yeah, it seems like you really enjoyed this one.
Cauliflower so 맛있어.
Would you like anything else?
No,
No,
just a check,
okay,
please.
please.
Yeah, thank you. Hi, man. Look how fluffy he looks. He got a half semi-bath today. Half bath. His paw, mommy groomed you well. I know. Oh, we're home. We had a good meal and then we walked back home. And I'm actually not. Are you full?
I'm full, baby.
Really?
You are.
We walked a lot today. That's why I'm just like really content. I'm not hungry or anything, but yeah, we're home. Home, safe home, sweet home.
We're in an abusive relationship.
We are.
She
She abuses me.
See that? This is after she pulled my hair. Look how crazy it is.
Come here. Come here.
Ah!
Ow. Yeah, you look so ugly. I made you poo-poo.
Did you eat his dog food?
I ate his poop. He pooped and I scooped it up.
Oh,
It's like,
with your mouth.
treated it like brownies.
Oh.
It's like, the bee, she ate my poop. How can I eat it?
That was yours.
It was a very tiring day. Walked a lot. You know, going against the wind is very, it's a workout.
It's a challenge.
Walking against the wind. Yeah, we know. But we took it to the park this morning, so you can.
No.
No. Once a day. We go to park once a day. Once a day. No, once a day. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. Have a great week. And I'll see you guys soon.